AI is quietly replacing jobs, but no one's noticing until it's too late. You wake up, grab your coffee, and clock into work like always. But what if today's the last time you ever do? Because right now, AI is replacing jobs faster than anyone expected. Millions of jobs are disappearing, but no one's talking about it. And by the time you notice, it's already too late. Stay till the end, and you'll see if your job is next. You think AI is just a tool, something to help you work faster. But what if your company sees AI as something cheaper than you? Because right now, they're hiring AI instead of hiring humans. IBM has already paused hiring for 800 jobs. AI is taking them instead. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs will disappear. And if you think your job is safe, think again.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh hell no.
AI is replacing customer service, marketing, coding, finance, entire industries. It doesn't need sleep. It doesn't get sick. It doesn't ask for a raise. And for companies trying to cut costs, that's a no-brainer. The worst part? AI doesn't apply for your job. It just takes it. And the people who adapt win. The ones who wait get left behind. And if you are thinking,
What do I do? What do I do? In the name of God, you've got to tell me!
here's what you need to do.
Daddy's gotta go to work.
Step 1. Stop competing with AI. Start using it. Step 2. Learn high-value skills AI can't replace yet. Step 3. Build something AI can't own. Your brand, network, or creativity. Because the only way to survive is to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a leader. In 3 years, AI will either be your tool or your replacement.
You ain't gonna tell me shit.
Listen!
Suck my
Shut up! Listen to me!
Suck my you man.
Listen!
And right now, you only have 2 choices. Ignore this. Keep working the same way and hope you're not next. Or get ahead. Learn to use AI and make yourself irreplaceable. Because the future of work, it's already here. And AI doesn't wait for anyone. So what's your next move?